डिटेल्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डी फाउंडेशन। ऐसे तो तेज बोलना है। डिटेल्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डी फाउंडेशन। डेफिनेशन, व्हाट इज डी फाउंडेशन? डी फाउंडेशन are those in which depth of foundation is very large when compared to width. Exactly, we can say that B by D ratio is greater than 1. When is used? In case where the strata of good bearing capacity is not available near the ground and the space is restricted where the construction an appropriate site. The foundation for a bridge spire. And most common forms of construction pertaining to the foundation are pile foundation, cofferdams, and caisson and well foundation. Pile foundation. The term pile foundation denotes a construction for the foundation of wall or pier which is support the piles. Where used, stratum of required bearing capacity is at a greater depth or steep slopes are encountered. Examples: spire are used for foundation of buildings, trussless bridges, and waterfront structures. Advantage: what is the advantage of pile foundation? Provides a common solution to all difficult foundation. Such problem can be used for any type of structure and in any type of soil. Necessity of pile foundation. How can you use pile foundation besides a shallow foundation? So, especially where the subsoil water table is so high and load coming from the structure is very heavy and non-uniform. When it is not possible to maintain foundation trenches in dry condition by pumping or due to very heavy inflow of seepage or capillary water, and where overlay soil is compressible and waterlogged and firm hard bearing strata is located at quite higher depth. When structures are located on riverbed or seashore areas and foundation are likely to be scored due to action of water. In the construction of docks, piers, and other marine structure, we can use pile foundation beside the deep foundation or shallow foundation. Types of pile based on the functions. Classification based on the function. First, bearing piles and bearing piles, friction piles or skin friction piles, seat piles, tension piles, anchor piles, batter piles, fender piles, compaction piles. Types of pile based on function. Bearing piles driven into a ground until a hard stratum reached, act as a pillars supporting the superstructure and transmitting the load to the ground. Friction pile. Piles are driven at a site where soil is weak or soft to considerable depth. Load is carried by the friction developed between the sides of pile and surrounding soil. Skin friction should be carefully evaluated and suitable factor of safety is applied. Load capacity of friction pile can be increased by increased diameter of pile, driving the pile for larger depth, grouping action of pile, and making surface of pile is rough. Types of pile based on function. Seat piles. Seat piles are never used to provide vertical support. It is mostly used as a water retaining structure. They are used for following purpose: to construct retaining walls in docks and other marine works, to protect erosion of river banks, and to confine the soil to increase its bearing capacity, to isolate foundation from adjacent soil. हो गया? Thank you.